I'm going to share with you guys on how to edit a Mexican wedding where everyone speaks Spanish and I cannot speak Spanish.
Pero hoy me doy cuenta de que todavía hay mucho más por aprender y descubrir de ti.
But Adobe Premiere translates in seconds and you could edit using the translation. Here's how to do it. First, go into the Windows menu and select Workspace and Text-Based Edit. Then click on Create Captions from Transcript. Then click on the blue Transcribe button. Adobe Premiere will translate everything in seconds. Everything will be subtitled in Spanish, but there is a translate button that looks like a Japanese character. Change the target language to English, then click on Translate. You'll then see a second section in the text window in the timeline. Just click on the eye icon to see it, then you'll see the English translation in the window. Just simply read through the text, and when you click on the text, you will see that it's selected in the timeline. Cut the parts out that you like, copy, go into your other timeline, paste it, and just keep doing this back and forth. And this is how you use Adobe Premiere Translate to edit any language videos. Share, follow, and like for more.